Hi guys! So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Dior Dior Perfume. Shout out to my beautiful cousin that got me this as a birthday gift. So that being said, let's get into the video. So first thing I like about this perfume box is the packaging. White and gold detailing. This perfume is 100 milliliters. It's also got this beautiful writing at the top here. This is their logo. So let's get to opening it. So first of all, I'm just going to remove this part and then let's see what's inside. We have removed the outer layer. Now, let's see what the perfume looks like. I'm excited, are you? Dun 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 dun. How beautiful is that? Look. This is so beautiful. Right, let's see what it smells like. It smells amazing. It smells as good as the bottle looks. And their detailing is just on point. Look at this. They have their logo here, right on the presser as well. Here, look. Thank you, my cousin. I'm very happy with my birthday present. Hope you like this video. I hope you like my first unboxing video. I will be doing a few more of these. If you like what you've seen today, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for all the time you spent here with me today. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.